Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change email formats in your AOL mail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your AOL mail in any of your browsers. I'm opening this Chrome shortcut, and after opening that, just simply click into the Settings button on the right side. After clicking into that, go to More Settings. And into More Settings, you will find this Viewing Emails option. Click into that Viewing Emails option. And now, after clicking into that, you will get this Inbox Style setting at the top. Now, you just simply have to select this New Old Mail option or Unified Inbox option in order to change your email format in AOL Mail. Just simply choose the option which you like the most, and after selecting that, your process will automatically be saved, and your email format in AOL will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.